Welcome everyone. I'm excited to show you what's in the box 250. Keep in mind your configuration may vary based on what you ordered. So let's go ahead and take a peek. You have a total of 4 latches here all around the box. When you get your box, you might have 1 or more padlocks on it. Very easy to open. Press that button, unlock, of course, after you put in the code. Let's go ahead and open up all of the latches here. Once you open up your box, you're going to notice that it's got a really nice protection on the top, some foam here to keep all of the equipment secure. Inside the box, all of the individual slots have been carved out using a water jet process to make sure all of the devices very securely and safely fit into each of the slots. So let's have a look around. Over on the bottom area here, you've got all of your name badges. Very easy to pull those out. So name badges are here. In these individual slots here, holds up to 4. These are the handheld scanners that your staff can use. You can see it's got a nice protective case. There is a laser on the top, credit card swipe on the bottom to process payment, and every device is going to come pre-configured with the EventGen software. All the devices are under mobile device management. Over here, we've got 8 slots for the credit card terminal. So again, if you did want to process payment here using things like Apple Pay or swiping, so you've got a total of 8 there. We've got the kiosk or the tablet stands right here. You can see it's 2 parts for the tablet stands. This is the arm, which is going to fasten right into the base. So you could just pull out the base that fits right in the slot there. So again, you've got your kiosk components that holds up to 2 kiosks. You do have a printer right here, so it holds 1 printer. You've got your tablets, so there's an iPad there. You've got your router. The router works off of hardwire, Ethernet, or cellular as a backup, so it fits perfectly right in that little slot right there. And then this middle section, our bottom section here, is going to hold all your power supplies for your badge printer, your tablets, and so forth. All right, there you have it. When you're all set, you can close it up and latch it in there. Perfect. There's your box 250. Now we're ready to travel. Thank you.